Okay, I'm Craig Wright, and for a living I'm an insurance broker based in locally, and I work for a large American insurance broker. I think it's been there for a long time. I think my teeth started going uneven and awry from an early age, from my early teens, and I should probably have had a brace at that time. But it took a number of years, and actually the trigger was a change of my dentist where I live, in the town where I live, and I talked to them about it, and they gave a recommendation to this practice. I think I was as conscious as anybody could be. That's how I felt, although you're never quite sure how everybody else feels. But I did that whole thing of smiling, but always without opening my mouth, or smiling and making sure there was at least one hand over my mouth. So I was very conscious about it. Well, 2 years ago my teeth looked like this, so my teeth on the top and the bottom were very uneven. Two of the teeth, particularly on the top, were heavily displaced, and I had a crossbite as a result. 2 years later my teeth are very straight, and now I'm a lot happier and a lot more confident in smiling. I had a fixed brace for a period of 18 months and I was very conscious that it was going to be painful and obvious, and it was going to affect my speech, and it didn't do any of those things, which I was surprised about. I think that was part of the reason I delayed it so long. It was a question I was very interested to ask when my braces first went on. I said, will I see a change within 6 weeks, or is it going to take 6 months, 12 months? And the response was, because I had a spring put on to try and create a gap for a tooth to come through, I was going to see a difference very quickly. But I was actually surprised how quickly I saw movement. So certainly within the first 4 weeks, I saw what I thought was quite a large change, which was encouraging. I think a lot of people use the word confidence, and I think for me it is that, but I'm just more relaxed. So to know that when someone says something very funny, or I just want to laugh, or just want to smile, I can do that. It's given me the confidence. But just to know I can be constantly and consistently relaxed it means an awful lot to me, particularly in work as much as out of work. I absolutely would, and if people ask me, I'd be more guarded about saying have it done. I'd be much more confident to tell them to have it done where I had it done, at Park Lane, because that's what I experienced, and all my concerns were just addressed from day one.